we were really impressed with the amount of artwork within the exhibition that was referencing the COVID pandemic. So we had masses to choose from for the Adaptability Prize, but the one that we chose, I think, shows one of the much lighter sides of the responses to the pandemic, and we absolutely loved James Rowley's socially distanced still life of pears. So congratulations, James. Beautifully painted, very mundane subject matter, but with a wonderful dose of humour, which we all need. We all needed this just at this moment. The arts has been devastated, and the museums and galleries have been devastated through this pandemic, with them not being able to open, and it's been an absolute tragedy and devastating for them. And it's up to us artists to try and fly the flag for arts and what it can do for our mental health and for everything else, and to keep us positive and keep us going. And it's up to us to support the arts as much as we can. Anyway, congratulations, James. I don't know if you want to add anything about your painting, but well done, fantastic.
Thank you very much, Lesley, and to all the judges. It's an honour to receive the award. To have one's work recognised like that. I think it's always an achievement just to get work selected for an exhibition. So to me, among the prize winners, it's just fabulous. It's such a lovely surprise and a boost and a confidence boost, and I think just a boost to mental health really over this particularly distressful time. But it's an interesting thing, and particularly in relation to the Adaptability Award. I'm primarily a painter of still life, and I've been painting pears particularly on and off for 25 years since I was at college. But it is interesting to, I think, be unable to avoid incorporating some of the current iconography into what's become sort of my go-to object and subject matter really. So sort of, and to pop into the supermarket just to buy some pears, to set up to paint, and being confronted with this hazard tape and directional arrows and told to behave in a certain way. So it's just interesting how, even though I think lots of the times regarding the artist studio as a safe place where you can almost try and forget what's going on in the world, it's impossible to ignore it, and for those influences to come into the work. So I suppose I was pleased to be able to do it, to at least make reference to these paintings are being made at this particular time under these circumstances, and then for it to be just recognised, I suppose. So I'm so grateful for the award, and thank you all very much indeed for choosing the painting. Thank you.
Brilliant. Thank you so much, Lesley, and thank you and congratulations, James.